Oh, I got a treat for you, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, guess who is styling their first wig by themselves? Now, I know we all might be nervous, but that's okay. I probably watch every video on the internet about installing a wig. But first things first, I want to see what the wig look like without me doing anything, because baby, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I want to do glueless because, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I got a lot of ingredients, but I'm gonna show y'all this wig first. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls with gorgeous, gorgeous wigs. Bye, y'all. This is the wig. This is the girl. Cause the knots don't look bad, cause it looks brown. But we gon' see, we gon' see. You know they give you the wig cap. Got some other goodies. I don't get what this is. Cause y'all always come through. Got the clippy clap, the bobbies of the pins. Let's get to work. So I got this natural look for lace tone. Got the silicone melting lace tape. It's the wig knot healer. Don't play. No bleaching. Period. Well, that's what it looks like. Oh, and it's a little brush to melt it in. Stop playing with them. I'm gonna get my wig cap, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, since it's like a bang middle part, I'm gonna keep my middle part. I'm gonna do my braids this way. Yeah, so I'm gonna be back after I braid it. The curls is already here. Y'all won't believe what happened. My knowing nothing behind. I didn't put the tape on there and I put it on the hair. I almost lost it. I was like, oh my gosh, the scalp gonna be gold. But it's okay because it was actually pretty like flexible tape. So I was able to take it off and it wasn't no problem. I did cut some hair strands because I did not have the patience. But yeah, so don't go all the way like I did. Now I'm going in with like the no knot bleaching stick thingy. And I will say I really did like the way it looked. I didn't know what I was doing. I feel like I put too much on there, but I love the way it changed the color because I would definitely feel like that helped. And then of course with some extra, I end up adding that foam stuff on there, and it did really kind of neutralize that hard orange, so that's pretty cool. Definitely unnecessary, but you know, I'm extra. I thought I was doing something. I was playing around, and yeah. So I end up going in with some Fenty as well to conceal it, to make it a little lighter. And then I really liked how they ended up coming in. I got it everywhere. So I ended up going in with a towel, and that definitely helped. Then I went in with some mascara because I was like, let's give it some natural black scalp. Your girl was happy to put in this product. Ooh, child, was giving she-wolf. I did not know what I was doing, but I really love the way it came out. I love that it had bangles in there because I don't really know how to play with the lace. So I did end up cutting it using my clippity clips. I tried to do a little ziggity zag, but it wasn't working, so I ended up cutting all that off just so it wouldn't be on my forehead. I cut as much off as I could. And I went in with some foam, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I was being so extra. I don't know what I was doing, but I was like, ooh, you know, I'm just using all my ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down, put it down, and fix the bangs on my face. Ooh, the Lord knew not to give me this natural hair color, because baby, it would have been over. Okay, not the bang. The bang. Oh, I was feeling it. Oh, and y'all, helpful hint. The wax stick actually really works. It lays everything down. It don't have my flyaways looking crazy. And it gives it like a nice natural shimmer shine. And I loved it. And I'm sending you High to the vibe. Peace, love, and prosperity. It's giving Dolly Parton.